Hello everyone, welcome back to Optician. So, in this today's video, we are diving into the details of amazing course which is offered by the TCS ION, that is a master data management for beginners. So, whether you are a student, a professional, or someone who are looking to enhance your data management skills, this video is for you. Stick around till the end as we are all going to discuss all the details about this course and how you can enroll for this course and each and everything I discussed in this video. So, watch this video till the end and don't forget to leave a comments with your thoughts. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel so where we will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first off, what exactly is a master data management, or we can say simply MDM, is all about? In simple terms, MDM is all ensuring the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of the organization's core data different system. Like it is a crucial for business because it helps in improving the decision making, reducing the redundancy, and enhancing the efficiency as well. In today's data driven world, learning the MDM can open for the exciting career opportunities in IT, analytics, and business intelligence. So, now let's talk about what are all the key highlights of this course. The first, it's a comprehensive learning where you will learn the basics of MDM, including the data governance, data quality, and integration strategy. Real world applications. So, the course focuses on practical applications of MDM in the industries like retail, healthcare, and finance. Third is flexible learning, where you will bring an online course so you can learn at your own space, making it a perfect for the students and also working professionals in the ease time. And the fourth, that is industry relevant content. The curriculum is designed by the experts, where ensuring it aligns with the current industry requirements so that you can get to know the real world knowledge from this. Now let's discuss the main thing, that is the benefits that you will be getting from this course. So first, skill development, where you will gain expertise in the management and analyzing the large data sets effectively. Second is a career growth, where you will boost your employability in the roles like data analytics, MDM consultant, and IT specialist. The third is certification. Upon successful completion, you will earn a TCS ION certification, so which adds a great value to your resume. So all of these things you will be getting a free of cost only. So without you will pay any single rupee, it is all a free of cost. By seeing here, you can see that free thing. That is, it is a totally free. You will get certificate of completion at free of cost once you complete for this course. And the syllabus of this course is here. You can see a simple that one module will be there, that is a mastering the data management system. Okay. Now, who you can enroll for this course? So this course is open to anyone with a keen interest in the data management. So whether you are a beginner, a student, or a working professional, you can enroll for this course and start learning for this thing. And I will also tell you that how you can enroll for this course. So it is very simple. The link in the description box, when you click on the link, you will get redirect to this page, and you can simply press on subscribe now button. So once you will press on subscribe now button, here it will be opening a login or sign up page, you can see here. So if you have your account in the TCS ION, so you can just giving your name and giving your email ID and the password, and you can just log into your account. So if you do not have an account, so you can just press on register button and you can create your account over here. And once you are done with your creating the account, and you can just log into your account, and that's it, your course will get started. You can launch the course and you can learn the course at free of cost. Okay. And data management skill are in high demand across the industries. So the ones the TCS ION certification, it is widely recognized in the industries also. So it is an affordable way where you will gain the practical and also a theoretical knowledge in the high growth domain. So why you are waiting? So grab this opportunity to upskill yourself and stay ahead from the competitive job market. So that's all about today's video of mastering the data management for the beginners by the TCS ION. So what do you think about this course, or are you planning to enroll for this or not? Let us know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Opportunity for more job updates, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.